Hello guys, welcome back to next vlog. So this is my day 13 of my 30-day challenge, and yesterday was Sunday, so I took a rest for one day. So this is Monday again. This is Monday, so I'm making this video. So let's start it, and I want to just talk about. Yesterday a little bit. So yesterday I went to a music meditation class. So basically, like I'm a part of one group. So like there are happening there are happening couple of things like Gita classes, some musical classes, some other activities. So it's a kind of NGO, and I'm a part of that NGO. So yesterday was one music meditation class. So I went there, and it was a very long class. I think I reached there by 8:30 or 9, and I come home by 2. So it's almost around 5 to 6 hour session. So session was very nice, and like I'm not saying I learned new thing, but yeah, definitely it was a good experience. For first time I went to these kind of event where I learned about something music like rag beherwas, and couple of like there were a couple of things the teacher explained, but yeah, totally it was a very good experience, very relaxing. So this is about yesterday, and today, as you know, I mentioned already, it's a day 13. So like I have done all my practice. So first see what I have did, then I will talk more. Alright guys, so this is the day 13 challenge or day 13 thing. So we should work on models like can, could, should, might. So these are the like this is the task for today, and I have done my practice as well. Like I made 20 sentences and very little story, and you can see the result here. So first thing is like very nice. So you have created 20 sentences and a mini story. That's dedication. So now this is the like initial few are correct, and after that like I have some like I did make some silly mistakes like ए भूल गया, देन सम स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स लाइक तो यहाँ पे टू आना था, मैंने टू डाल दिया, TWO टू वाला टू आना था. सो या okay, so I uses like new word and all. So this is overall it's a good experience to learning like this, because uh, let's switch the camera first. Learning in this way feel little happy, because I learn or I practice at least something on per day. Like I have do speaking practice on day to day basis. I have done some reading practice, writing practice. बस यही तो चाहिए, reading, writing, speaking, but more focus on speaking part. So I try to speak on my office calls also in these days, and I think I'm doing good, because everyone can understand what I'm trying to say. So overall it's a good experience. Uh, I want to tell you one thing. I observe कि I used so very frequently or very unnecessarily. I don't know how, because like I watched yesterday video, and I observed कि like I use so many times. I don't know why. So that one area I need to work on that. So intentionally I try to control over that word. All right, so again see so बहुत बोलता हूँ मैं. Okay, so shit, sorry, my bad. Okay, uh, this is about it. This is about see. So आने वाला है, मतलब it's like a, so it is end of the day today. So God. Alright guys, this is the video end, and if you like the video, and please do like, subscribe, and comment on my video. If you have any suggestion, please guide me so I can improve. यहाँ पे सो सही है so I can improve. And yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.